Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's JoveeQ again, and today I want to let us know that there is a very important reason why we shouldn't throw our lemon backs away. Now, I've had this lemon back for like a week now, and it's my children actually squeezed it. I actually squeezed it for something for my children actually. So I've had it for about a week now, and instead of throwing this away, I left it in the refrigerator and it's still very fresh. So I'm going to show us a recipe that we can always use this for whenever you have lemon back. So you don't have to throw it away. And that recipe is actually for belly fat. Not just belly fat, for immunity and belly fat. And also anti-aging. So if you're not in a hurry to get old anytime soon, or no, not get old, if you're not in a hurry to age anytime soon, so there are certain things you have to incorporate into your diet to help you achieve that. So I'll start by slicing this into bits. Actually, this made my fridge to smell so nice. So it's a plus for me. I have a fridge that has the most comforting aroma. And I still have something that can help me boost my immunity, give me an amazing gut, and help me lose belly fat. And the plus is an age defier. I mean, what I want to do now is an age defier. So I'll be using this for a tea, and we'll see how the recipe goes. See, I've had this since so about a week now. I actually used it to make ginger ale for my kids, and I had to place the rest into the fridge, so it's not lost. We can still make something out of this. So this is about 1.5 cup of water. It's already measured. I have to fill it up in order to ensure it's up to 1.5 cup of water. So it all depends on what you're using. Just get 1.5 cup of water, or your teacup, or what you know you can handle. But this is 1.5 cup of water. So next is to put in my lemon peel. I'm on the no waste zone, so there's no waste in my dictionary. Then a 1/4 spoon of cinnamon. This is measured. 1/4 spoon of cinnamon. And we'll bring to boil. You know, the great thing about this recipe is the fact that everything just smells so amazing. Is it the lemon or the cinnamon itself? They are both aromatic. Not just that, they smell really lovely. And the cinnamon has this sweet taste, so it's as good as you putting a sweetener into your tea. Even though I've used a 1/4 spoon of cinnamon, that is what I can tolerate in a day. Depending on you, it depends on how long you've been using cinnamon and what works for you. But I would advise you use a 1/4. But if you can handle 1/2 spoon of cinnamon, or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, you can go ahead and use it. But I'll be recommending a 1/4 spoon of teaspoon of cinnamon, because of those who have not used it before, because it has a way of, do I say, crashing your sugar level. So we're gently bringing this to a boil. Apart from getting the nutrients and the vitamins and all the goodies from the lemon zest, we are still getting the content of the lemon itself, which helps us to do a whole lot. I don't know how to, describe this, but Not like I don't know how to describe it, it's just that I'm overwhelmed by all the qualities that are inside this particular tea. So if you've come this far and you've not subscribed to my channel, why not consider hitting the subscribe button? I do videos on food hacks, home remedies, and lifestyle. So you might be seeing some lifestyle videos, you might be seeing some food videos, and obviously this is a home remedy video. So support the channel by sharing to people who might need this. Beginning to boil, as you can see, is evaporating. So from time to time I have to stir it. Don't mind what I'm using, use whatever you have, but I'm just using this because I used it to measure the cinnamon. This is actually on low heat, and that's the reason why I'm stirring this way, circulated. I don't want it to boil in a hurry so as to get all of the essence from the zest. My kitchen smells divine. If you have nausea and you're making this recipe, you will just love to be in the kitchen. It has a way of suiting you. I don't know how it does it, but it suits you as long as you're stirring and as long as it's boiling. And not to talk of when you drink it, the whole essence attached to you drinking it, your whole renewal, it's antioxidant, it is an age defier, it suits you in every angle because it boosts your immunity. And when your immunity is boosted, there's no such thing as I'm having a headache. Yes, it resolves issue with headaches too. I'm having a headache, I'm having this one issue or another, including your woman health, your health as a woman, everything that has to do with you as a woman, it actually does help you. So this is something you might want to try. No, you really do want to try it. Please give it a try. Take it for like a week and let's know how it works. Coupled with the fact that we're not wasting anything, we're not buying any lemon. We already have the cinnamon in the house, so it's something worth trying. So that'll be all. I'll be turning off the heat and I'll be straining it. All right, this is it. The tea is ready and it is almost I think I lost about a quarter cup because it's almost 1 cup, and that's the reason why you have to make your tea you have to make your water a little more than a cup. Either you make it 1 1/4 or you make it just 1 1/2 like I did here. Just go ahead and do what works for you, 1 1/2 or 1 1/4, but my recommendation is 1 1/2. So I've lost some through evaporation and this is what I have now. It was full before and now this is it here. If you can see it from this angle, it has gone down. So this is the tea and it is ready to drink. So if you can take this before you go to bed at night, wonderful. If you can take it first thing as you wake up in the morning, amazing. So do this for like 7 days and let's see what happens. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Hot, 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 hot.